the ruling BJP in Karnataka decided to face the political storm and table the anti-conversion bill in the Karnataka Legislative Assembly on Tuesday. People in Bengaluru gathered at Freedom Park to protest on the anti-conversion bill today.
I am not very happy. Of course, we tried our best. We requested the government, made our appeals, but in spite of all our efforts, the government has gone ahead with the tabling of the bill. And I am told that there are enough in the assembly also who are not in favor of this bill, and they have promised us also to discuss it and to discourage the government from going ahead with the bill. I hope and pray that they succeed.
I did read my bill, I did spoke about, I did made my comments on this, highly unacceptable. What is the bill about and who wants the bill about? What is the issue we are speaking about? I think the government doesn't understand what is the bill we are wanting to. You got it? In the name of Hinduism, Hindutva, not acceptable. The country stands for plurality and it has to stand for plurality.
However, this government which has come to power, they induced. In 2014, they converted the whole of India. They told them that Achhe Din Aayenge, it did not come. They said 2 crore jobs for youth. We don't know where those jobs are. They said the prices will come down. Okay, we've seen how the prices have skyrocketed. Okay, on every sector they have failed. Their promises, they induced, they said black money will come, it will benefit. Nothing. They have failed in all these issues. So they are diverting, they are polarizing the society. See, the bill has been tabled. We don't know what will happen in the assembly, how it will think. Okay. There is a competition across BJP ministers, okay, chief ministers, as to who is more stringent or who gives more trouble to minorities and thing. So I think so. Just to save his skin, Bommai also has fallen trap to it. Very unfortunate. This was not expected from him.